Make a great choice today with the 2021 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.